The power of trees, environmental and community benefits explained. 10 benefits of trees. Trees clean the air, provide oxygen, sequester carbon, cool urban areas, conserve water, prevent soil erosion, support wildlife, enhance mental health, boost property values, and promote social cohesion. How trees transform. Trees transform our environment by improving air quality, providing habitats for wildlife, preventing soil erosion, regulating temperatures, and enhancing water quality. Surprising health benefits. Trees reduce stress, lower blood pressure, improve mood, encourage physical activity, and reduce the prevalence of respiratory diseases. Air quality and mental health. Trees improve air quality, enhance mental health, support biodiversity, reduce noise pollution, and provide recreational spaces. Enhancing our lives. Trees combat climate change, provide habitats, improve health, enhance property values, and create beautiful landscapes. Ecological benefits. Trees support ecosystems, stabilize soils, regulate the water cycle, provide food, and enhance biodiversity. Economic and environmental. Trees reduce energy costs, increase property values, attract businesses, improve air quality, and manage stormwater. Improving cities. Trees enhance aesthetics, provide shade, reduce noise, improve air quality, and foster community spaces. Combating climate change. Trees sequester carbon, cool the atmosphere, support ecosystems, and reduce the need for energy consumption. Protecting soil and water. Trees prevent soil erosion, improve water quality, and provide habitats for various species. Trees for health. Trees reduce stress, enhance mood, encourage exercise, improve air quality, and provide therapeutic landscapes. Beauty and biodiversity. Trees enhance landscapes, support diverse species, improve air quality, and offer recreational spaces. Saving the planet. Planting trees combats climate change, restores ecosystems, improves air quality, and enhances human well-being. Social and economic. Trees foster community, increase property values, reduce energy costs, and create attractive urban spaces. Greener neighborhoods. Green neighborhoods have better air quality, lower temperatures, higher property values, and more community engagement. Saving the planet. Planting trees combats climate change, restores ecosystems, improves air quality, and enhances human well-being. Greener neighborhoods. Green neighborhoods have better air quality, lower temperatures, higher property values, and more community engagement. Environmental and community. Trees improve air and water quality, support biodiversity, reduce stress, and enhance community spaces. Beyond aesthetics. Trees provide oxygen, improve mental health, reduce noise, and support wildlife beyond their visual appeal. Crucial for future. Planting trees is crucial for air quality, climate resilience, mental health, water conservation, and biodiversity. Sustainable future. Trees sequester carbon, support ecosystems, improve health, reduce urban heat, and enhance sustainability. Natural healers. Trees reduce stress, improve air quality, encourage physical activity, lower blood pressure, and provide therapeutic environments. Planting trees is a simple way to make a big difference. Trees clean our air, cool our cities, and provide homes for wildlife. They help fight climate change and improve our mental health. By growing trees, we create a better, healthier world for everyone. Let's plant trees and make our planet greener and happier.